Hello, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to test the USB type gaming headphone support test in the Realme GT Neo 2. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a dedicated video on this particular topic, and let's see whether these headphones can be supported in the Realme GT Neo 2 or not. So these are headphones which I did order from the Amazon website. Exactly, as you can see, it's the gaming type of headphones which has got the USB cable. And to connect this kind of USB type of cable to the phone, you do need the Type-C adapter, Type-C to USB adapter, as you can see. So let me need to connect to the dongle. It's the adapter right now, which has been connected. And now let me need to connect to the Realme GT Neo 2. Let's see what notification we actually get when you connect. Is any kind of headphones notification, will it be displayed or not on the top? So yes, I did connect to the phone. And I cannot see any kind of power. I think I can see, yes, there's headphones has been detected successfully on the top of the notification. You can clearly see friends, and there's USB RGB lights also got turned on in the headphones. You'll be able to see exactly, not bad. I'll try to check a couple of things. For example, the mic quality of is a mic, so is it kind of responsive or not? Let me try to type the recorder and check. As you can see, the waves are increasing whenever I try to tap on the mic. So right now I'll try to do the normal testing as well. So this is a sample test which I'm trying to record using the gaming headphones in the Realme GT Neo 2. So now we'll be able to understand how is the quality from the mic of this gaming headphones, so you know exactly how it is. So right now I did speak something. Let me try to show you how is the audio from these headphones came out. It's a sample test which I'm trying to record using the gaming headphones in the Realme GT Neo 2. So now we'll be able to understand how is the quality from the mic of this gaming headphones, so you know exactly how it is. So not bad friends, in terms of the quality I did not get any kind of disturbance at all, as you can clearly see. And once after you connect to the phone, and we should be able to see some kind of options will be unlocked in the sound profile. Let's see, in the Dolby Atmos, in the music, and yes, you can actually use all of these features as well, even for the headphones also, in case if you want to do that. So definitely friends, the Realme GT was able to exactly support in the gaming headphones without any kind of problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And one more thing I forgot to mention regarding the gameplay also, it will be really good interesting thing friends, using this kind of gaming headphones and gaming in the phone. It feels really great as well. I can actually hear the footsteps coming from left and right. It's really good. Basically designed for the gameplay only, the headphones, so it works really fantastic in the Realme GT Neo 2 as well. I did do a couple of gameplays, so overall in my experience, even the cable length is also really very big, as you can see here. So maybe the power might be a little bit kind of decreased, but not a huge power decrease, I can definitely say that. So let's measure what is the power output it's taking in. Let me do one type of testing. Let's check how much power the gaming headphones is actually taking in. And the gaming headphones, I think it's taking only very little amount of power, very little, not much. So as you can see, only 0.10 amperes it's taking, a little bit kind of amount of power it's actually consuming for the gaming headphones. So that's the reason I thought of showing you exact how much power it's consuming. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick support test in the Realme GT Neo 2 using the gaming headphones. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.